And this one is cheap na lang, okay? So, kasi medyo kasi sa hindi ko siya nagamit, guys. I think I used this only once. Gosh, sayang. No, sayang talaga siya. Kasi if you check talaga how much is it, no? Even, I'll let you to check, okay? You check naman, you can go sa, sa Divisoria, you can go sa 168, you can go sa 999, you can go the accessories. I bought recently like 2,500 pesos. I bought that amount, no, with the watch, no. And then I also bought some accessories there, 2,000 talaga. Imagine you guys, no. Okay, for this one is Gucci. For this one is Gucci design. So medyo umitim yung bato niya but still can use, no. Gucci design but still can use, guys, no. So I can give this to 198 pesos, including the bangle, the necklace, and the earrings. Wala po siyang sing-sing. 200 pesos or 198. Ayoko nang, gusto ko may 8 kasi. Okay? Gosh! Nung binili ko siya, ng magkanong bili ko, almost 1K, tapos benta ko lang ng 200, di ba? Kasi hindi naman na, oh my gosh! Guys, can you imagine that one?